Derek with Eliminex. We're in Bound Brook. Here are my traps, all ready to go. I'm going to put them around the perimeter. Got enclosures, so when it goes into the 20s or even in the single digits, it'll keep them nice and toasty because they're out of the elements and out of the wind. And during the day, when it's a little warmer, when the sun's out, even when the sun's out, it'll warm them up. Even if it's like 10 degrees out, the sun will heat them up in there. That'll be good. They can definitely last a day or two. But we check them every day, early in the morning or late at night. So at the most, at the worst, if we caught them, if we checked them in the morning and then we didn't come at night, you know, they'll survive overnight, no problem. If they got caught at night, and we come early in the morning again. And so we have special smaller cage traps we can attach to the gutter systems, and also we can hang them on the roof. But we have to, right now I'm not going to set the traps on the gutters. I'm just going to pre-bait them, find out which ones they're feeding from, and then put the live trap in that location, because right now we can't really track exactly how they're getting up yet. We do see the back part of the soffit. I'm going to pop it back in place, but you see insulation all over the yard. So you see that down there. So I'm not 100% sure if they're coming in and out of that spot or it just fell down with the wind. We do see insulation in the yard, so, and hopefully it's squirrels. I mean, I did the inspection, I saw squirrel. I didn't see any raccoon activity, but if there happen to be raccoons, like you can see in this corner here, something ripped through that. Somebody did a repair in the past. You can see the patch up. Someone bent it back in place and nailed it. So something was running across up on top. But it was definitely squirrel activities for now, so I'm going to pop that back in place today and see what happens. Probably coming off the power line, going there. So I'm going to put some on this side of the gutters system. I'm going to put the monitors to see if they're eating. In the meantime, I'm going to put those traps throughout the perimeter, one on each side, and we're going to catch us some squirrels and relocate them in a you know, preserves, open space preserves, wildlife, ecological preserves, which will be in Highland Park. This one, it's about 10 miles from here, so I'll release them there. We got about five designated locations. There's always more I can look up if I happen to be, like, you know, somewhere else and I'm en route. I can look up another area that I can release them safely.